Hello students, welcome to the channel The Royal Chemistry, all about chemistry. Today's video we are going to discuss about the metallurgy topic, leaching process. It's in unit 1, class 12. In leaching process, what is leaching process? It's a mixing of, that is, just the process of extracting a substance from the solid material that has come into contact with the liquid. Solid substances come in contact with the liquids. That is the process. Let's see. In leaching process, it's one of the chemical method for the concentration of the ore. All other three are different from this leaching process. What's the principle behind this leaching process? First, it is based on the solubility of the ore. So we have to find out the suitable solvent for the dissolving that solid ore. So first we should take crushed ore and make it to solve in a suitable solvent. So what will happen? This ore convert itself into soluble salt or complex. And finally, a gangue particles will be left as insoluble. Okay, so leaching process in that topic, there are 4 leaching processes are there: cyanide leaching, ammonia leaching, alkali leaching and acid leaching. So solid ஒரு liquidல mix பண்றது தான் உங்களுக்கு leaching process. So அதுக்கு நமக்கு ஒரு solidஆவும் அந்த solvent liquidஆவும் நம்ம எடுத்துக்கணும். ஓகேவா? So let's see. Ore is converted to, how it converts, what I said to you, ore is converted to soluble salt or complex. What about the gangue particles? Gangue particles remains insoluble. So you can easily separate ore and the gangue particle. That is called as concentration of the ore. In leaching also we are doing the same. The picture here we are seeing is heap leaching. Let's see the cyanide leaching. Cyanide, the first topic of leaching is cyanide leaching. It has 2 steps. Okay, here we are going to concentrate the gold ore. Gold ore. So this process is named as McArthur Forrest cyanide process. So first we should take the crushed gold ore particles that should be leached with aerated dilute solution of sodium cyanide. This is the man of McArthur. And then the gangue particles remains insoluble. Here the gangue particle is in this gold, a concentration of gold, the gangue particle is aluminosilicate that remains insoluble. So this takes place in 2 steps. Let's see. This is the picture of aluminum silicate. So now step 1. What is the step 1 in the cyanide process is gold cyanidation. Gold cyanidation. What do you mean that? Gold is converted to a sodium cyanide complex. RO cyanide, you can say. Gold is converted to a cyanide complex, soluble cyanide complex named as sodium RO cyanide. So gold when the first sodium RO cyanide convert ஆகுது. First step. Second step, we are going to recover the metal. That is gold metal we are going to recover. How we are going to recover this? For recovering this gold metal, I am going to make this complex to dissolve what we got in the previous step. That is soluble cyanide complex. That should be react with this zinc metal. This process is called as cementation. So what will happen? Gold is reduced to its elemental state. Elemental state means zero oxidation state. So let's see the equations for this first step. Step 1 equation is given here. Gold with the cyanide plus oxygen and air gives a complex. Step 2 is we are adding zinc into that complex and we are getting another complex that will be the soluble one. So we are going to see what's the role of the sodium cyanide extraction of the gold. So sodium cyanide role என்னன்னா, it is used to leach the gold from the ore. That is, the sodium cyanide solution is sprayed on the huge heap of the crushed ore. So what happened? The cyanide dissolves in the gold from the ore into the solution as it trickles through the heap. So now let's see what is the role of zinc in this extraction of gold. Zinc, the element used to precipitate the gold from the solution. Let's see the second method of leaching, ammonia leaching. It is applicable to the ore, particularly nickel, copper, cobalt. So in the leaching, ammonia leaching la nama use பண்ற solvent aqueous ammonia. So the aqueous ammonia selectively leaches these metals. So the term is very important. The metals மட்டும் செலக்டிவா leach பண்ணும். So leach பண்ண உடனே நமக்கு கிடைக்கிற product வந்து ஒரு soluble complex. That soluble complex is about nickel, copper and the cobalt. Here the point is where the gangue particles. The gangue particles are insoluble, they'll settle down. So let's see the principle of this ammonia leaching. First we should take the crushed ore of the either nickel, copper or the cobalt. That should be treated with aqueous ammonia. That's a solvent we are using here for the crushed ore to dissolve. So we are applying a suitable pressure for the reaction to carry out, and this liquid aqueous ammonia selectively leaches the and forming a soluble complex. Now the point is, what are the soluble complexes? Let's see that. This is about hexaamine nickel ion, tetraamine copper ion and aqua tetraamine cobalt. So these are the complex of the nickel, copper and the cobalt. They are soluble complex. What about the gangue in this ammonia leaching? The gangue particles left over in this ammonia leaching is iron 3 oxide and or hydroxide second, and another thing is aluminosilicate. So now we separated the ore from the gangue particles. Now let's see the third method, that is called as alkali leaching. Alkali leaching, what is the process here? We are taking the ore plus aqueous alkali to form the soluble complex. So ore we have to take first crushed ore எடுத்துக்கங்க. இங்க நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ற solvent வந்து alkali, aqueous alkali. அதுல கிடைக்கிறது வந்து soluble complex நமக்கு ஃபார்ம் ஆகும். ஸோ இந்த alkali leaching வந்து சூட்டபிளாக இருக்கிறது வந்து ரொம்ப நம்மளுக்கு அப்ளிகபிளாக இருக்கிறது வந்து பாக்சைட்டுக்கு தான். இட்ஸ் an important ore of aluminum. Now here we are using a solution of sodium hydroxide or sodium carbonate. So for this alkali leaching, alkali is the solvent, and here we have to do the process with crushed ore and plus what I said, here I am using bauxite. Bauxite is an ore of aluminium, and this ore is going to convert into an pure alumina. Okay, so from the bauxite ore we are going to get this pure alumina. This is the process we are going to see. The point is, first thing, the ore should be crushed. That's the principle. Ore should be crushed and it should be heated. This ore should be heated with sodium hydroxide. That's the main point. Heat பண்ணனும் the ore, crushed ore. That is for example what I have taken here, bauxite and the bauxite எடுத்து heat பண்ணனும். Sodium hydroxide heat பண்ணனும். So what temperature we have to give for this heating? So 470 to 520 Kelvin நம்ம heat பண்ணனும். Temperature நல்லா ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கணும். 470 to 520 Kelvin. And pressure பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 35 atmospheric pressure நம்ம maintain பண்ணனும். So what we will get soluble sodium meta-aluminate. That's the first step. Soluble meta-aluminate. The sodium meta-aluminate. What's the impurity we are getting in that first step? Iron oxide and titanium oxide. Let's see the equations for the step 1 and step 2. The step 2, what is the step 2 procedure is, here we are converting this soluble salt into the hydrated aluminium precipitate. So this precipitate should be filtered off. Which one? Hydrated alumina precipitate. That should be filtered off, heated around 1670 Kelvin, we'll get a pure alumina. Okay, now the ore is separated from the gangue particle. Now let's see the last part of the leaching, that is acid leaching. Let's see first one, applicable. Where we can applicable, what are the ores comes under this acid leaching. This is applicable to sulfide ore. Okay, so you know that sulfide ore, zinc sulfide, lead sulfide, am I right? So zinc sulfide is called as zinc blende, lead sulfide is called as galena. So acid leaching is applicable to these two. Here I am going to take an example of zinc sulfide named as zinc blende, is an important ore of the zinc. So here which is the solvent? Here the solvent is hot aqueous sulfuric acid. Let's see the principle behind this acid leaching. First we should take the crushed sulfide ore. That should be treated with the hot aqueous sulfuric acid. What will happen? We will get the salt of the zinc. Salt of the zinc. Okay. So now let's see the equation. Zinc sulfide reacts with sulfuric acid in the presence of oxygen. We are getting zinc sulfate plus sulfur, that is elemental sulfur plus water molecule. So what's the process is, insoluble sulfide in this acid leaching, what is the final thing is, insoluble sulfide, that is zinc sulfide, is converted into a soluble sulfate, that is zinc sulfate, and elemental sulfur, formation of a sulfur. So insoluble sulfide is converted into soluble sulfate and elemental sulfur. Let us look this diagram of how the zinc leaching works out. So this is about zinc leaching. Hope you will understand what this leaching is. My next topic is about extraction of crude metal from metallurgy. Students, share these videos with your friends, subscribe and click the bell icon, then only you will get our new videos then and there. Thank you for watching. Keep watching.